How to log into DoorDash. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can log into DoorDash, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to log into DoorDash, all you have to do is you can actually use the DoorDash application to order food, or you can go to the website by going to doordash.com, and then you're going to be able to see this type of interface here. Now once you go to doordash.com, you'll find the sign in option from the top right, so make sure to just tap the sign in option from there, or you can tap the three lines option here and then just go ahead and then also tap the sign in option. So currently if I'm already signed in, I'll just tap the sign out button to sign it out, and then what I can do is I can just tap the sign in button there. I can log in with my Google account and so on, or I can just go ahead and then enter my email and password manually by just tapping the sign in option to sign into my DoorDash account. If you haven't yet created an account, you can also go ahead and then create an account right away. This way you can go ahead and then log into DoorDash. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.